Mother's Day, Tita Christine, and may God bless you.
Happy Mother's Day, Tita Christine, and I love you always. Salamat sa lahat. Tapos, huwag kang palaging stress kasi mawawala yung ganda natin. Joke lang, Tita Christine, promise namin na magkapatid, mag-aaral kami ng maayos para paglaki namin, meron kaming trabaho na maganda. Bye-bye! Happy Mother's Day!
Bye!
Hi Han, Happy Mother's Day. Kumusta ka na? Congrats sa bago mong work. And I'm so happy kasi nasa magandang kumpanya ka. And thank you Han sa iyong pagmamahal sa akin at sa kay Mavic at kay Bea. And sa mga challenges natin, lagi kitang kasama. Sa ngayon kasi setup ko ay malayo pero kakaintindihan naman tayo. Nagsusuportahan tayo. So ngayon, masaya ako sapagkat yun nga, may work ka na uli. Tapos si Mavic magkaka-work na rin. Napapasok siya sa medrep. Marangal na work yun, magugustuhan din ni Mavic yun. At si Bea naman ay pag-graduate na. So, eventually, lahat tayo ay nasa, na tayo sa ating buhay. Lahat tayo nagtatrabaho na. And then, congratulations din sa iyo, Mavic, at sa bago mong work. And, Han, like to thank you again sa iyong pagmamahal, support, sacrifices sa family natin. Buong-buo tayo ay palaging nagmamahalan kung nagkakaroon na ng problema at saka awayan, pasensyanahan. I love you, Han, and again, Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Han. Bye-bye.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. We just want to let you know that we always love you, even if hindi namin napaparamdam, even if minsan nagagalit kami sa inyo, pero hindi po, mahal na mahal ka namin lagi. And also, thank you for all the sacrifices, forgiveness, at saka thank you for showing us yung unconditional love that we will never find in other person. Because, syempre, mabibigay mo yan, you are our mother. And also, thank you kasi lagi mo pinaparamdam sa amin na ginagawa niyo yung best ni Daddy para mabigay sa amin yung lahat. Like, maging comfortable life namin, and madalas nyo kami iniisip, and ramdam namin yan ni Mavic. So, thank you doon kasi naramdaman namin sobrang privilege kami sa love tsaka sa mga privilege na binibigay niyo at pinaprovide sa amin ni Daddy. So, thank you din doon. And thank you for being our role model dahil nakita namin kung gaano ka nagpakita ng pagkakaroon ng good morals, pagtat sa amin ng mga values and others. And thank you po. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy.
Happy Mother's Day, Mami. Thank you kasi dahil sa inyo is naka-compliment ako kasi kamukha daw kita. And then yun, aside doon is thank you talaga is for being the biggest supporter. Pinapost nyo ako. And then, chinat ako ni JB, mabigat to! Kasi pinost nyo yung catwalk and then ang daming reach and engagement and thank you kasi pinapost nyo. Thank you. I-appreciate nyo yung mga side ventures ko. Ayun. And then, praying na na makapasa kayo sa Revalida nyo for training. And then, live longer and more birthdays to come. More birthdays. Hindi, para more years to come. One cool way to saying that. Ganun. So, ayun. Happy Mother's Day, Mami. Happy Mother's Day, Mami. Thank you kasi dahil sa inyo is naka-compliment.
Just a little closer next to mine. Come on and cha-cha-cha with me. And I'ma cha-cha-cha with you tonight. I like it.
mean, what can we say? Best mommy in the whole wide world for us. Hey mom, you're gonna love this song about you and make you feel so loved and sick. You gotta back us always and we're ready to go. What can we say? Best mommy in the whole wide world for us. Hey mom, you're gonna love this song about you and make you feel so loved and sick. You gotta back us always and we're ready to go.